In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Asana. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have these two tools talking to each other, so your sales and marketing work in HubSpot can connect smoothly with your project management in Asana. Let's start inside Asana. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Asana workspace or organization where you want the integration to live. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually your picture or initials. Clicking that opens a small menu where you can access your personal and app-related settings. From this menu, select Settings. This will open a settings window or panel where you can manage different aspects of your Asana experience. Take a second to confirm you're in the account where you actually want to connect HubSpot, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. Inside the settings window, navigate to the Apps tab. This is where Asana centralizes all the applications and integrations you can connect to your account. If you don't see it right away, look along the top or left side of the panel for the word Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, look for an option that says Discover New Apps. Click on that. This will open Asana's app directory, where you can browse all available integrations. The directory can be a bit overwhelming, so using the search bar will save you a lot of time. In the search bar, type HubSpot. Make sure you spell it correctly as one word. After a moment, you should see HubSpot appear in the results. If there are multiple results, choose the official HubSpot integration for Asana, usually marked clearly with the HubSpot logo and description. Click on the HubSpot result to open the integration page. Here, you'll see more information about what the integration does, such as syncing tasks or linking deals and tickets to Asana projects. When you're ready to proceed, look for the button that allows you to connect or install the app. From this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to sign into your HubSpot account, grant Asana permission to access specific data, and confirm which workspace or account you want to connect. Go through each prompt carefully, review any permissions, and then approve the connection. Once all prompts are completed, your HubSpot and Asana accounts will be integrated and ready to use.